What's up, YouTube? It's Tom Tested, out here testing a new leaf vacuum. This thing's a little heavy to handle with one hand, so I'm gonna set the camera down and you can watch me do the work behind me to see if this leaf vacuum will actually help us out this fall with all the falling leaves. Stay tuned and I'll let you know more about this Black & Decker product this time in Tom Tested. So, Black & Decker leaf vacuum, overall thoughts. First of all, it's a win from me. I spent probably about an hour outside doing the yard by myself, and from how many leaves I started with to how many leaves were left over, I think it was worth it. I mean, the product isn't that expensive, and truthfully, I was calculating it. We go through so many leaf bags, which we typically buy from Costco in bulk. This is gonna cut that way down because I didn't even fill up my main yard waste trash can with all the leaves that I picked up. I said leaves, not leaves. Anyway, a couple other thoughts really quick. One, being corded is great and also not great. One, it's great because you have continuous power. I didn't have to worry about charging batteries. That also kept the cost of the product lower, which again, huge fan of that. The downside, of course, was having to drag around the cord. We have a 100-foot extension cord, so that was great, but then sometimes it got in the way. The other thing to note is if you're left-handed, I don't think this would work for you because it comes out of the bag on the right-hand side. I guess you could try to flip the backpack upside down, but I don't think that would work. It just was kind of weird to only have it available on one side. I did also have to watch the hose because at one point the hose, it's a flexible hose, it got kinked. And so the suction dropped because of that. And I was noticing that because I wasn't picking up as many leaves. My pro tip was, as I was going, the leaf bag fills up, the suction goes down, but then you can kick it into turbo mode and use that to kind of keep going to get a couple extra square feet of coverage of space. Super impressed that it picked up super wet leaves and kind of leaves that had been like raked together, and my daughter did that. She put them together in a pile. You can see that here. It picked them up totally fine. And then, so whether the leaves are wet or like clumped together along the street, they'd obviously been kind of crushed down and it still picked those up. We had one area where a tree basically just always every year just kind of drops its leaves all at the same time and they become a huge mess. So you can see those leaves here, and it did a great job picking all that up. So that was really great as well. The biggest caveat was sticks. We have a lot of trees that drop sticks, and so sticks obviously getting stuck trying to get sucked in, or the other thing was they'd try to get sucked up and then the impeller was trying to like chop up the stick, and so it sounded terrible, so I'd stop it, let it fall back out. So what I'd probably do differently next time is, one, do a stick pickup first. Two is if you had somebody else working alongside you to rake the leaves or blow the leaves into piles, it'll go a lot faster than just trying to vacuum effectively the entire yard. If you get a lot of joy out of vacuuming, which I do, I was like, this is so much fun. I had a great time doing it. I would go out and do it again right now if I need to, which, you know, give it a couple hours with the winds we have, I'll be back out there. But the moral of the story is, so far, fantastic product, highly recommend. You can check out the link to this product in the bio below and, you know, give it a try. If you've got a ton of trees around your property, it would be definitely something to consider to make your fall pickup even better. If you have any questions about this product or my experience, drop a comment below. I'd be happy to answer it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you'd like to suggest something else, another product you'd like me to try or service, let me know. I'd be happy to try it and give my thoughts. And turn on the little bell notifications for the next time I put out another Tom Tested video. Thanks for watching.